All right, let's start learning JavaScript. We should have a decent handle on HTML and CSS, the basics of it. And we're going to start adding interactivity to our page. JavaScript makes web pages come alive. So I'm going to start with this template, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript template. So I'm logged in as my fake student account. So when you're logged into your account, you just say use this template. I'll put this link in the description of the video as well so that you can get to this start code. This start code is on my account. We want to transfer it to our student account. So I'm going to be the new owner. And we're going to build the classic Hello World program. Plus, we're going to add some stuff to it. So I'm going to call it Hello World Plus. Our first JavaScript program. Okay, make it private and create repository. So this copies the template onto our GitHub account, or your student GitHub account, right? Follow code along with me here. And once it's on here, we can go to GitHub Desktop. Just want to make sure I'm logged in with my fake student account here. So I'm just going to go clone repository, and it sometimes finds it. It's not finding it. So I'm going to use the URL. You can just copy this or go here and copy that into here. And I'm going to save it to, where do I have this? I have a, oh no, I think we used demo one. Where did I put, oh yeah, CS10. Select folder there. So F drive, CS10, Hello World Plus. And clone. Okay, and this start code is just going to have the basic link HTML page. It'll link to our style sheet. So there we are, Hello World Plus. Open it up in Visual Studio Code, which opened up on my other screen. There it is. So like I said, it's just got this really basic, right, index.html with your head. It just has a title, links to the style sheet, and has this script tag. That's important. This is where we're going to write our JavaScript in this main.js file. And then our body just has a heading in it. Okay, main.js is empty. This is actually called a comment. JavaScript just ignores any comments. It's just for our notes, our purposes as a programmer. And then this is a CSS comment. No CSS yet. Okay, let's go live. Hopefully that opens up in the right browser. Yay, there it is. I'm gonna, if you right click and hit inspect, or F12 I think does the same thing. When we did HTML and CSS, we looked at this, the elements here. For JavaScript, we want to look in the console. Oh, and anyway, it's giving me an error. It's trying to look for a fave icon. That's the little icon that can be displayed here, and I don't have one, so it's giving me a warning. Big deal. We can clear that. This just clears the console. Okay. Anyway, we're going to keep this console open because this is going to be helpful when we're writing JavaScript, and you'll see how that happens. Okay, so let's start with going back here. Now, this script tag, right, JavaScript, JavaScript programs are often referred to as scripts. They're just a collection of commands. So JavaScript is a programming language. And I'm going to get rid of this defer for now. We'll need that later, but for now, we're just going to keep it simple. This is just a script element, and we have a source attribute, kind of like an image element, right, where you have the source of the image, and the source is going to be main.js, which is this file here. So just like we link to the style sheet, and we write all of our styles in the style sheet, we want to link or load this JavaScript code. And once the page loads and sees the script tag, it's going to run whatever JavaScript commands we put in here. And one of the first JavaScript commands we're going to do is the command called alert. Alert, like that. Okay, it's a function. You can see that here. And we can pass a message into the function. So the way that we so alert is a built-in function to JavaScript. It comes with the JavaScript language. And the web browser, when it loads our web page, the web browser knows how to run JavaScript code. It'll recognize this command. So the name of the function, or the command function, is called alert. And then to call the function, tell it to do its job, we need to use these parentheses. Okay, open and close parentheses like that. And then inside of this, we can do a message. And whenever we want to do like just text, like words, we put that inside of quotations. And the classic first program when you're learning a language is hello world. Okay, and then this is optional, but I recommend doing it. After every command, we should have a semicolon. It's kind of like ending your sentence in a period. We're going to end our command in a semicolon. Just like in CSS, we did that too, right? You had your style property, you ended it in a semicolon. So let's save this, and you'll notice that page title is flashing because, ta-da, right? It did this, the alert function opens up this alert box, and it displays the message in the alert blocks, crazy. I hit OK, and oh, it refreshed and did it again. All right, anyway, there we go. So now every time I load this page, right, if I refresh it, it's going to see that script element, right, that script tag, and it's going to run whatever code's inside of main.js. Awesome. All right, that's our first JavaScript program. Yay! Now, of course, programs can be more than one line of code, right? We can do another alert command. This is JavaScript, and then end that with a semicolon. Let's do another one. I hope this is fun. We'll save that. And when we go back to here, it runs the first alert function, the next alert function, and the next alert function, right? So it's sequential. Programming is the idea of an algorithm, right? An algorithm is like a recipe. You do something step by step. So a program runs top down, run this command, run this command, run this command, etc. And goes from top to bottom. And like I said before, this is a comment, and JavaScript just ignores any comments. So often I use comments as like titles to help organize your code, but you can also use it to like disable some code. Let's say, for example, I wanted to temporarily disable this alert function. So I can put that double slash in front of it, and it'll comment it out. So now when I run the program, it does the hello world, and then it goes straight to the I hope this is fun. Whoops, wrong place. And then a quick way to do those comments is you can just hold Control and then hit /. And if I just hit Control and /, it toggles the comment. Okay, you can even select multiple lines, right? And hit Control / and it'll comment those up. Okay, anyway, that is our hello world. We'll stop here for this video. In the next one, we'll learn some more commands, learn about variables, all that kind of stuff. We'll add on to this hello world program. All right, hope that made sense. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.